Please read important safety information before watching this video. Stop the sample flow and any ongoing scans. Deactivate the hardware configuration in analyst software. Wait until the source cools to room temperature. If needed, detach the sample tubing connected to the syringe pump or LC. To unlock the Turbo V source, turn both of the black latch handles 180 degrees up. Next, firmly grasp the outside of the source with two hands and pull the source away from the mass spectrometer. Place the source upright onto a clean laboratory bench. Loosen the PEEK finger-tight fitting and remove the sample tubing from the probe. It may be easier if the other side of the sample tubing is removed from the grounding union. Loosen the brass retaining nut until it is no longer engaged with the source. Gently pull the probe straight up out of the tower. Do not let the tip of the probe touch anything as you remove it or store it. The tip can be retracted using the black adjustment nut to protect it from damage during probe replacement. Depending on your needs, the new probe may be the same type or a different type probe, i.e. from the ESI to APCI. Insert the probe into the tower, taking care not to allow the tip of the probe to touch any part of the ion source housing. Push down the brass retaining nut to engage its thread with the ion source housing thread and tighten the nut. If needed, adjust the corona discharge needle to the proper position for that probe. For the ESI, the needle position should be 180 degrees away from the instrument orifice. For APCI, the needle should be facing the instrument orifice. If the electrode was retracted or a new electrode was installed, then adjust the black adjustment nut on the top of the probe to adjust the electrode tip. This distance can be flow rate dependent. Insert the sample tubing and finger-tight PEEK fitting into the port at the top of the probe and then tighten until finger tight. Make sure that the tubing ends are flush with the seat of their connections. To attach the Turbo V source, hold the source with two hands, align the guide pins with the interface bulkhead alignment holes, and push the source into place. Turn the black latch handles down to lock the source in place. Start analyst software and activate the hardware profile.